Oh, hello there. The first mail for the day just arrived. It's for Secretary, sir. Better upload it fast. So I'm going to scan it, and now log into eBreeze. So my job is to upload all the new postal mails we receive. I just click Postal Upload. Enter few details, the mail type, register post or not. Receive dates. A little description. Upload the file. And done. Let's see if it was uploaded just to make sure. Yes. All good.
Hello. I am the administrative officer. All the mails first comes to me. Look. A notification. Let's see what we got. Ah. It's a letter of appreciation for Secretary, sir. Now I just have to type in what to do about the letter. Select the division I should forward this to, and the subject person to assign the document to. That's it. Simple, isn't it? All the piles of files on my desk used to be a huge headache. Finally, those days are past. I can keep my office clean and organized enough to actually work.
Hello. I was just assigned a letter. I manage the public relations subject. All the postals that's been assigned to me comes to my file pool. It's pretty organized. I can see all the letters I haven't started working on, I can see all the files I manage, and also all the files I've sent to others. Okay, let's see what the letter is about. Secretary, thank you for your quick resolutions. Due to you and your team's prompt response to the letters I sent, our village managed to solve our issues. This letter is to thank all of you on behalf of our village. May the triple gems bless you. These issues used to take months or even years to get a response to. Glad to see our work is appreciated. Now I can assign this to the PR subject file. And then, I'm going to open the file to create the reply letter. I don't have to spend too much time thinking about what I have to write because the system has already given me a guideline. Okay. Few changes here and there. No letterhead, and done. I'm going to add a tag to the reply letter so that it's easier for me to find it later. Sending this to Secretary Sir directly. So I'm not going to include anyone else here. And now, the minute I have created the reply letter, forwarding this for your approval. Fast and simple, I didn't even have to spend too much time thinking about what I need to type. Secretary Sir will probably receive the message shortly.
Notifications are sent as a SMS with a link. eBreeze is easy to be used from anywhere, while in a meeting, while on the way, or even when you are abroad. We are constantly making improvements to mobile. This is a sample of how you'll see eBreeze on your mobile. This is the final step of the postal process. The secretary can simply take a look at the letter and add his signature by clicking the sign button to approve. Thank you for your interest in stepping forward to make a change in Sri Lanka. It's our duty to assist you to achieve your goals. The Productivity Secretariat, Agriculture Ministry Western Province, and the National Housing Development Authority are already using this system. Now it's your turn to decide. We are here for your disposal. A small step forward for you, a giant leap to make Sri Lanka a better place for everyone.